you see that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just pulled a double backflip with the Vortex. That's amazing. Hey guys, welcome to Father Family Fun. Today we have an unboxing of the Arrma Vorteks 4x4 3S. It's been a while since we've had a new RC car, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't done an unboxing in a while. We haven't got a new RC car in a while. I'd seen this and I was like, you know what? I like the look of it. I like stadium trucks anyway, so I'm like, oh, I gotta have that. So we're gonna unbox this thing. We're gonna give it a first run, first bash, and see how she does. Let's get her started, Chloe.
Let's do it. Pretty sure this just slides right off.
Go ahead, pull it up there. Oh yeah, that is nice. Ooh! I've never seen one of these in person before. It looks good. Okay, what do we have here, Chloe?
I'm pretty sure that is the remote.
There's the controller.
I think you have
Lots of bubble wrap. I'm sure you'll enjoy that later.
to.
Let's feel this one. Very nice. What do you think about that? Does it feel good to you?
Yeah.
It's a nice meaty feel. Doesn't feel narrow. Fits your hand real good. I'm liking that. I can't wait to try that out. Okay, what else does it come with? It comes with some instructions and a few parts, speed gear. Now this thing's supposed to do 60 plus miles an hour, and everyone's always like, whenever I run one, they say, well, the box says it does this fast or this fast. A lot of times that's with the speed gear in it. So once you put the speed gear in it, it'll achieve that speed, but they're not meant to run in the grass because they'll overheat.
Here is the remote. It has a lot of settings on top and on the side. It's very smooth and it fits your hand really well.
Alright, set that there. This is for the moment right here. Oh, that to the side here. Get rid of the box. Oh, that is so nice. So nice. I'm going to let you peel this off. Hold on a second. We'll get a little closer view here. Alright, Chloe, I'm going to let you go ahead and peel the wrapping off of it. Oh, nothing like a brand new RC. That looks amazing. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. You have the tethers for the body clips, which is nice because you don't lose them. It's got these protectors here at the top. So if you turn it over, which I'm sure we will, it'll protect the body a little bit. And there you have the supplied wheelie bar, which looks really meaty, really nice. Nice looking wheels and tires. Alright, let's pop the top and see what she looks like. Alright, Chloe, pop the top. Oh yeah.
On the bottom it has a nice
What does that say, Chloe?
silver. It says, "Don't just bash, blast."
Yep, that's right. Man, this thing is so good looking.
It has
Look at that.
holders for the battery.
Yeah, Velcro holders for the battery. Pretty nice thick shocks. Seem like they have a lot of rebound in them. Looks good. Flip that thing over and let's see the bottom of it. Oh yeah, plastic chassis. Really good, nice, thick arms on it. Very good looking stadium truck here. Let's flip her back over. Wow, nice thick bumper. I can't wait to take this thing out. You ready to take it out, Chloe?
Yep.
Yep, let's go do it. Okay, what's nice about this controller, it lets you know when you cut it off. You got an audible tone to it. It's cut on. It has a 50, 75, and 100% setting. I'm gonna let Chloe go on the 50% at least to get her bearings. Let's rock this thing on 100. Wow, this thing jumps nice. So this Vortex jumps amazing. I'm gonna put these ramps together and I'm gonna see if I can't do a backflip with it. Let's try it. Okay?
Let's do it.
All right. Woo! Did you see that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just pulled a double backflip with the Vortex. That's amazing. Okay, so now Chloe's gonna jump it. I'm gonna put it on 50% first, but then I think I might put it on 100 after she gets used to jumping it for a minute. Ready to jump it?
Yeah.
Let's jump it. I let it rip, Chloe. Oh, that was a nice one. That was a real good one. Well, there's his first scratch. Okay, here's Chloe's second attempt at her jump. Nice, nice. Look good. Hey guys, my first impression of this vehicle is I love it. It handles great on road, off road, it jumps good, has great control in the air. This is an amazing RC car. I really like the fact that I can switch it over to 50% or 75%, hand it off to Chloe, and she can drive it, hand it back to me, put it on 100. It's awesome. This thing is just amazing. I'm really, really happy with it. What do you think about it? You like it?
It's probably my favorite car so far. I give it 100%. It drives really smoothly, and like you can set it to whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah. So that makes her more comfortable, makes me more comfortable, because that's less broke RC cars. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
You should put that on bloopers.
I'm recording that. You're on bloopers. It handles great off-road. It handles great on the grass. And the grass is off-road, you dummy.
And
another car. And another car.
Just passing by very, very slowly.
Whoops. Car's coming. Just hold on. I'm going to edit this out. Hold on. Car's coming. Car's still coming. Man, would they hurry up?
Anytime now. Honk honk.
Man, is my grandma driving or what?
I know, right?